What if I told you that OpenAI's latest model might not be the best AI anymore? Claude just dropped its new update, Claude 3.7 Sonnet, and it's absolutely dominating in ways that ChatGPT just isn't. Meanwhile, OpenAI quietly released GPT 4.5 Orion. And let's just say it's not the game changer people hoped for. So is Claude now the king of AI, or is there more to the story? Stick around because we're about to break it all down, from coding power to real world usefulness and even some hidden weaknesses nobody is talking about. AI has been evolving at breakneck speed, but lately the competition has been fierce. OpenAI, Anthropic, Amazon and even Microsoft are all racing to create the best AI assistant. With Claude 3.7 and GPT 4.5 both making headlines, everyone's asking, which AI is actually the best right now? Well, you're in the right place because today we're doing a deep dive into the strengths, weaknesses, and surprising hidden details about both models. And trust me, you'll want to watch till the end because we're revealing a shocking new AI competitor that might change everything. Alright, first up, Claude 3.7 Sonnet and its brand new tool, Claude Code. If you're a developer, this update is huge. Claude has leveled up in coding, and it's not just about writing better Python scripts. It's actually building real applications with minimal prompting. People are creating full 3D games, advanced weather apps, city simulations, interactive AI experiences, all with just a few lines of instructions. And it doesn't stop there. Claude also introduced extended thinking mode, allowing it to spend more time processing complex problems. This is a big deal because models like DeepSeek R1 already use this technique to improve reasoning, and now Claude is stepping into that space too. But here's the real question. How does this compare to GPT 4.5? So OpenAI just dropped GPT 4.5 Orion, and while it sounds like a major upgrade, it's not exactly blowing people away. Sam Altman called it the first model that feels like talking to a thoughtful person. But let's look at the actual performance. The improvements? More human-like writing, fewer hallucinations, shorter, more concise responses. Sounds great, right? Well, here's the catch. The downsides? Benchmarks are all over the place. It performs well on some tests, but worse on others compared to competitors. Grok 3 outperforms it in math, a major weak spot for OpenAI right now. GPU shortages are delaying full access, meaning even if you're a Plus user, you might not get it for a while. So while GPT 4.5 is an improvement, it's not the breakthrough that many were hoping for. And compared to Claude 3.7, it's not looking great. But wait, it's not just OpenAI and Anthropic battling it out. Amazon and Microsoft just threw some major punches in the AI space. Amazon just launched Alexa Plus powered by, you guessed it, Claude. This version of Alexa isn't just for checking the weather. It can hold full conversations and even perform complex tasks by integrating with third-party services. In short, Alexa is getting smarter than ever, and that's a huge win for Claude's AI. Meanwhile, Microsoft's Copilot just made some massive moves. Free unlimited access to Think Deeper and Voice Mode. Copilot is now available for Mac users, making it more accessible than ever. And this is where things get really interesting. While everyone's focused on Claude and GPT 4.5, there's a new AI model that's blowing minds in a very different way. Inception Labs just released a diffusion-based language model that can generate code at lightning speed. We're talking 1000 tokens per second. To put that in perspective, that's significantly faster than Claude, ChatGPT, or even Google's Gemini. And speaking of Google, they just rolled out AI Studio's conversation branching feature, while Meta is secretly working on a standalone AI app. Oh, and let's not forget Figure Robotics, which just accelerated its plans for home robots, meaning AI-powered assistants might soon be walking around your house. So, where does this leave us? Claude 3.7 is crushing it in coding, extended reasoning, and even powering Amazon's Alexa. GPT 4.5 is decent, but not the groundbreaking model we expected, and it's still struggling in key areas. Meanwhile, new players like Inception Labs, Google, and Meta are making some serious moves. The AI race is getting wild, and it's clear that Claude isn't just catching up. It might actually be ahead. But what do you think? Is Claude now better than GPT 4.5? Or is OpenAI cooking up something even bigger behind the scenes? Drop a comment below and let's discuss. And if you found this video insightful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more deep AI breakdowns, and check out this next video here. You won't want to miss it.